Good morning, student. In last lecture, we start our new lesson, the interrelationship between living organism. Correct. In that lecture, we see the many point, related to the interrelationship. Now we see the next part. See here. Do you know even the excreta of domestic animals is of use to human beings? Which one the excreta is there? Excreta means what? Means which one the waste material is there? Which one animals throw outside? It is said to be the excreta. Okay, means from the body the waste material throw outside, it is said to be the excreta. Okay, this one the excreta of domestic animal is of use to human beings. The next point, the dung of cattle is made into dung cakes. Okay, dung means what? In Hindi we are seeing gobar, in Marathi we are seeing shen. See, they are combustible. They are used in some places as a fuel. See, this one dung cake is there. This one used for the fuel. A combustible gas called the gobar gas is also obtained from dung. Means this one also useful in a gobar gas. That too is used as a fuel. This one also used as a fuel. Manures made from cattle dung and sheep pellets are good for plants. Farmers use them for growing crops. Means which one the cattle dung is there and sheep pellets are there. This one farmer use as a fertilizer. See, just as we need animals, we need plants too. Plants give us food grains, vegetable and fruits. We love flowers too. Means we need animals as well as plants is also there. Which one the plants are there? This one plant give us food grains. Means you know very well, we all are depend on plant for food. We love flowers too. We use them for many different purposes. We get flowers from plants. We also get cotton wool from plants to make cotton cloth. As well as also we get the cotton from the cotton plants. We grow plants that are used to us methodically. We sow seeds. We make sure that they get water. We give manure when necessary. We spray pesticides if they are attacked by insect. Means which one the plant we grow in our field or in our farm, means we have to take care of them. Means whenever they need water we have to give water to them. When this one the manure is necessary, then we have to give manure to them, and we have to spray pesticide if they are attacked by insect. Plants to give to us abundantly. They satisfy our needs. Means from plants we get the more things. Okay, and they satisfy our needs. Other living things also get their food from the environment. For example, chameleons eat insects when they are hungry. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Tigers eat deer. Goats and sheep eat leaves of plants. Cattle eat grass. Means this one the food web. In simple word we are saying it is the food web. Understood? Means other living things also get their food from the environment. Means chameleons eat insect when they are hungry. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Tigers eat deer. Goat and sheep eat leaves of plants, and cattle eat grass. Now see the new concept, this one the arboreal animal. What is mean by the arboreal? This word come from the Latin word arbor, which means tree, and arboreal means living in trees. Means the animal which living in trees. Those animal it is said to be the arboreal animal. See, animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. Which one? The monkeys and the squirrels are there. They live on tree. It gives them certain advantages. Being at a height, they are better able to defend themselves from their enemies. Besides, they can eat the fruit of the trees to satisfy their hunger. Such animals are said to be the arboreal animal. Arboreal means, in simple word, we are saying the animal which live in trees. Okay. Then see, it give means which one the trees are there. This one trees gives them certain advantages. Okay, being at height, they are better able to defend themselves from their enemies. Means this one the animals they live on the height of the tree, and due to that they defend, okay, their enemies, as well as they eat the fruit of the trees. Which one the fruits they came on the trees? This one fruit they are eat and satisfy their hunger. Such animals said to be the arboreal. Means from the plant they get the many things. Unknowingly they help the tree with whose support they live. As they move around here and there in the surroundings, they spread the seed of the fruit they have eaten. Means what happened? Which one the fruit they eat? When they move here and there in the surrounding, they spread those fruit seed which they eaten through their droppings. Because of this, new trees grow in a different places. Some types of birds too find trees useful for building their nest. Okay, today we will see up to this point. Then which one the remaining part is there? This one we will see in the next lecture. Your homework is you have to read the lesson carefully. Thank you.